Fed this week said inflation remains subdued in spite of higher oil and gas prices. And today we get more official data on what things cost. Still, we decided to do our own research and found some sticker shock when it comes to consumer prices. Carol Masser has this week's The List. Good morning, Carol.
Good morning, Scarlett. Good morning, everybody. Well, working with Bloomberg rankings, we picked apart all 298 items that make up the Consumer Price Index and track their prices over the past decade and the past year, keeping in mind that the data reflects improvements in technology and quality. All right, what we found is that in the past decade, the fun stuff, TVs, cameras, toys, they have dropped the most, becoming cheaper and cheaper. More expensive, though, no surprise, energy, which has more than doubled over the past 10 years. It also costs a lot more to send stuff around. And for those who need their smokes, you know it continues to be a more expensive habit. Perhaps time to kick it, especially as we see hospital services have jumped around 93% in the past decade. Now, despite things like energy, tobacco, and hospital services going up the most in the past decades, it is our daily runs to the supermarket where we're all feeling it the most in our pocketbook over the past year. No surprise again, food prices, from coffee, margarine, and bacon to oils, ground beef, cheese, milk, and eggs. All of those basics have jumped about really the most in the past 12 months.
Are you ready? Do you have what it takes to not only survive hard times, but also thrive in them? In times like these, the most valuable currency we have is food and food reserves. It is more precious than gold, oil, and cash. Food is our greatest dependency, because when you're hungry, nothing else matters. You know it, and I know it. You can't control earthquakes, floods, or the real estate meltdown, but if you have food, you have personal solutions to how these things affect you. Register right here, right now, and order your 6 free meals so you can truly discover what the currency of the future and your freedom taste like.